The situation in the world doesn't make me happy, so I feel like I'm sorry.
It's okay. These are the moments. These are the moments, Ons, that can take us away from the world for a few minutes, where we can focus on sports, we can focus on the people we love, and it can take us away from the problems for a few minutes. So you're able to let all of us do that as your fans, and we appreciate everything you do out on this tennis court very much.
I mean, I wish just, it's very tough seeing children, babies dying every day, and it's heartbreaking. So I have decided to donate part of my prize money to help,